Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Yes,
Good
very good
morning.
morning and a warm welcome to the Brahan Mumbai Municipal Corporation online education of BMC. Today, we are going to learn your maths topic. The name of the topic is decimal fraction. Yes, you have already learned about the fractions, but today we are going to learn the next step from the topic fraction, that is decimal fraction. What is mean by decimal fraction? Yes. Yes. I would like to introduce myself, Yogesh Kore from Dharavi Transit Camp Municipal English School number 1. Our administrative officers Nehrata Dumbre ma'am, Nodal Bit Officer Sharad Purade sir, Nodal HM Mary Pushpam Paul ma'am, our school HM Ujwala Konda ma'am, our CNO Mr. Ratilal Burungude sir. Yes. Let's start the today's Zoom class. That is our maths class with the very good thought. Yes, can you read the thought for me so other student can also
Yes,
listen?
sir. The
Yes,
Every new day in another chance to change your life.
yes. Every new day is another chance to change your life or to change our life. Yes, it means that till you alive, you always get a chance to change your life and make it more meaningful in the form of a new day. Simply leave behind the setback of the past and concentrate of a new daily life offered to you. One should live one day at a time. What has happened, and one can't go back and change it. So learn from the past mistakes and consider a new day which has come into your life to make it more fulfilling and happy. So each day in your life is very important one. So one day or each new day, each and every new day is very important in your life to change your life, right?
yes,
Yes, this is a very good thought and it will make change in your life. So each and every day is important for your life. Okay, so make it useful, make it meaningful each day. Okay, yes. So let's go further. Yes, what do you see in the picture?
One whole.
Yes, one hole is there, but
Sir, watermelon.
yes. This is the answer what I expected. Yes, this
watermelon.
is a watermelon. This is the picture of watermelon, and in
Yes,
this watermelon, we have to. You have already learned that what is mean by fraction. Okay,
yes,
so let's revise, and we have to
Yes.
study the next step from the fraction, that is decimal fraction. But let's revise what is mean by fraction. So here you can see in the first picture, whole
One whole.
watermelon.
One whole
Yes,
watermelon.
one whole watermelon is there. Yes,
yes.
One.
in the second picture,
One
half
upon three.
watermelon is
Two.
in the second. Yes, half. One upon two matlab means
Half.
One
half.
part.
Okay. Yes. One upon three, two upon three, one upon four, and the last picture, which is given at the bottom, three
Three
upon four.
upon four.
Do you know? Do you know the meaning of these all these six images for
Hmm.
which the information is
Yes.
given? Yes. Would you like to tell?
Yes,
Yes.
Try to tell about these pictures or the information given on your screen. What is this?
Three upon four.
One up. Yes. What is this? You have already learned. So I am asking you.
One upon three. One upon four. One upon two.
Okay. Yes. Let it be. Let it be. No problem. Yes. So these are the pictures of watermelon. In the first picture, one whole watermelon is there. In the second picture, half watermelon is there. Yes.
Yes.
Out of out of two parts, one part is shaded. Okay, and one part is
Sir,
blank.
three
That is
parts are there. One
half.
parts are
Yes,
shaded.
very
Two
good.
parts are remaining.
Yes. And you also know about what is mean by numerator and what is mean by denominator. Yes.
Denominator.
Yes.
Yes.
Or in this example, just I am clicking here, right? In this example, two is the
Two
what
parts
is the
are
two?
Two parts are there, one parts are shaded, one parts are remaining. That's why 1/2.
Yes, yes. There are two parts, and out of two parts, one part is shaded. So
And one
one
parts
upon
are
two, that
remaining.
is half. Yes. Like the same way you can see here, 1/3 is there. It means out of three parts, one part is shaded. One here in this image, one is the numerator and three is the denominator. Okay. Like the
Denominator.
same way you can see that next in the next figure, out of three parts, two parts are shaded. So the image information is given. In the same way, you can see 1/4, that is out of four parts, one image is shaded. Yes. So one is numerator and four is denominator. Like the same way,
Denominator.
3/4, out of four parts, three parts are shaded and
One
one part
parts
is
are
blank.
remaining. 3
Yes.
upon 4.
Okay. Yes.
3
So
is deno
fraction means,
3 is numerator and 4 is denominator.
yes, 3 is a numerator and 4 is a
The
denominator. Okay.
denominator.
Good. So can you tell what is mean by fraction?
Fraction.
Yes. Just try to tell. What do you know?
Hmm,
It may be
fraction.
wrong, but you have to try. Fraction means you have already learned 2 or 3 lectures about the fractions. You have studied
Fraction
it. Yes. Fraction.
means
Okay, let
we
it be. Let it be. Listen. Let it be. Okay. Fraction means part of something, or fraction means part of whole. Here in this image or in this picture, you can see one whole is there. One whole watermelon is there, and there are 5 parts are given. Yes, and these are nothing but fraction. Fraction means a part of something, or part of, in this image, a part of watermelon. Okay. And 1/3, 1/4, 1/4, 1/2 upon 3, 3/4, these are nothing but fraction. Okay. Yes. Yes. Fraction means nothing but a part of something, a part of watermelon. Yes. Here is also one image is given.
yes, sir.
Yes, here also one whole watermelon is there, and here also parts are given. One upon
One
two
watermelon,
means
one
half.
watermelon is divided into 4 equal parts. So each parts in 1/4.
Yes, one watermelon is divided into 4 equal parts. So each part
One of,
we called
sir,
it as a 1/4. One fourth
yes, sir.
means one
One upon
upon four.
four.
Here one is a
So
denominator,
all parts are
numerator, and four is a, yes, four
all
is a
4 is one
denominator.
upon
Okay.
4.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, means one is sir, one is numerator and 4 is denominator.
Denominator.
Yes. Okay. That's great. The same example I have given you for your better understanding. Okay. So
Sir,
here you
it's
can
one
find,
fraction means a parts of a whole.
yes. Yeah, just a few seconds ago, I had told you about the fraction. What is mean by fraction? Fraction means a
Parts
part
of
of
a
whole,
whole.
or
Whole.
you may say part of something, or part of any image, or just in this picture you can see a part of apple. Okay. And in the previous image you can see a part of watermelon.
Yes,
Fraction
sir.
means a part of
Here,
apple. Yes.
yes. One whole
Now I think,
apple, 1/2 and
yes,
1/2.
yes. Or you may call it as a half apple. Okay, 1/2. Instead
Yeah.
of 1/2, you can call it, or you can read it as a half apple.
Half
Okay.
apple.
Yes. Here one example
Sir,
is given.
your full
If,
apple and your whoa, half apple.
yes. Okay. If you give half to your sister, then half remains with you, and each part is called as fraction. Yes. This is here information is given in the different form. For example, if you give the half apple to your sister, then half remains with you, and each part is called as fraction. Here you can see in this picture, these two half apples are called as a fraction, and this is a
fraction.
whole apple. Yes,
Full
this is
apple.
a whole. Yes. This is the whole
And
number,
these two are
and
half
out of one, these two
upon
are half,
2.
and these are nothing but fraction. Okay, now got it? What is mean by fraction?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. These images will be helpful to you to understand, to better understand about the fraction. Okay, let's move further. Yes,
Decimal
but in this
fraction.
today's session, yes, but in this today's Zoom math Zoom session, we are going to learn the actual concept, that is decimal fraction. Fraction, you have already learned it, but in this decimal, what is mean by decimal fraction?
A
A fraction
fraction
whose
whose
denominator
denominator
is
is
10
10
or
or any other 10
10
times
times multiple
multiply
of
of
10.
10 is called a decimal fraction. For example,
Yes,
7 upon 10, comma 33 upon 100, comma 627 upon 1000.
yes. And these
These
fractions are
fractions
written
are written
in
in
the
the
numerator and
numerator
denominator
and
form.
denominator.
Yes, but in this, what you have to remember, fraction whose denominator is 10 or multiple of 10 times of multiple of 10. It means 10,
10,
100,
100,
1000,
1000,
10,000,
10,000,
lakh,
lakh,
10 lakh.
10 lakh.
Yes, like
Yes.
this. If the denominator is in this form, then we call this fraction to the decimal fraction. Okay. So these fractions are written in numerator and denominator form. And do you know very well about numerator? The number on the top is called as numerator, and the number at the bottom is called as denominator. Okay. So if the denominator is 10 or any other 10 times multiple of 10, it means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, or 10 lakh. If these numbers are given here at the bottom, it means if they are denominator, then we call this fraction as a decimal fraction. Okay, let's move further.
Decimal
Yes.
fractions are written in
Okay,
a
okay.
different
One
from
second, one second,
of
one
decimal.
second. Okay, okay. I will explain. One second.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Decimal fractions are written in a different form using a decimal point. In this concept, we have to learn another concept. Another sub-concept is there. Whenever we write about the decimal fractions in different form, you have to use a decimal point, or in other words, you can call it as a dot. Here you can see in the bracket one dot is given. Yes, in mathematical language, it is called as a point. It means decimal point. Okay, or
Yes.
you can say in other words full stop. Okay, yes, and this full stop, but you have to say in mathematical language it is not full stop. For understand, for better understanding, I have told you it is full stop, but
Yes,
it is
sir.
not full stop. It is called as a decimal point. Okay, so whenever we have to mention this dot, you may call it as a decimal point in mathematical language. Okay, so in this method we make a new places on the right of the unit place to the right of the fraction. The same information is given here.
1
If we
upon and
divide,
10, 1 upon and 10. Plus
yes,
12.
yes,
We will do
yes,
plus.
yes.
1,
If
1,
we
2
divide
upon
100
20.
into 10 equal parts, each part is 110, and the 10 place is to be right of 100 place, and 110 if divided into 10 equal parts, each
Sir,
part is
answer is
1 unit.
2020. 2 upon me
Yes,
20.
very good. So if one unit is divided into 10 equal parts, each part become 1 upon 10. That is, you may call it as a 110. Okay, 1 upon 10. And for this, a place is made to the right of the unit place, and 110 means 1/10. Not 110. 1/10, and this place is called as 10th place, or the first decimal place from the right side. Okay. Here is also information is given, because with this information clear in your mind. So on this information, so we have to solve some of the problems set from your textbook, the some of the example from your problem set from your textbook, maths textbook. Okay. So what is the information? The decimal point how to read it and how to write it. Yes, we have to understand in this session decimal point, reading and writing, how to read it and how to write it. Okay, so read and understand. The decimal place is created for writing a fraction. Okay, when we learn about the example, or we will going to solve, whenever we solve this example, you will come to know a better idea about how to create a place. Okay, decimal place. When writing a number, a dot is written after the last digit of the whole part of a number to indicate the end of that part. Okay, and the dot. Yes, I have told you now what is mean by dot. In mathematical language, we call it as a decimal
Yes.
point. And dot is the symbol of decimal point. And one unit, when it is divided into 10 equal parts, each part becomes 1 upon 10th, or 1/10. 1/10 is written as 0.1. And the decimal point we have to uh, create, or we have to put from the right side. So here in the example 1 upon 10, 0.1, it is the decimal form. Or in the exam also, they ask about one mixed fraction is there, and we have to convert this mixed fraction into decimal form. Okay, we will see more example about decimal form. There are the fraction 7 integer 8 upon 10 is written as 7.8. In the decimal fraction system, it is read as 7.8.
7.8.
Yes. Okay. 7.8. Whenever we read it as a 7.8, and when we have to write it, that time we can write it as a 7.8. Means we have to write the spelling of each number. Like if there is 5, so you can write FIVE. Point. This is spelling of point, POINT. And whatever number is
Point.
given, for example 10, TEN, you can write 10. Or here 8
10.
is there, so EIGST. So
8.
7.8.
8.
Okay. Yes, very good. Writing a fraction as a decimal fraction. Here is one example, so you may idea.
1.9.
Yes, yes. We will get idea about how to write a decimal fraction. Yes, 19 upon 10 is equal to 19 upon 10 is the fraction, or you may call it as a mixed fraction. And we have to convert it into decimal fraction. So first, what is the first
Decimal
step?
fraction.
Count the number of zeros following 1 in the denominator.
Yes.
You have to see first what you will do. You will see at the bottom. Yes, at the bottom means at the denominator. And how many zeros are there, you have to find it. Following 1. Okay. So in this
Sir.
example, 19 upon 10, 1 0 is there.
Sir,
Yes.
1 0.
Sir, 1
Yes.
0 only.
Yes. 1 0 is there. So you have to put the decimal point after one number from the right side. Okay. From the right side. This is very important one. From the right side. One number, after the one number from the right side, you will put the decimal point. So our answer will be 1.9. Like the same way, here is another example. 257 upon
2.57.
yes,
100.
upon 100. Here you can see how many zeros are there at the bottom.
2.
Yes, 2 zeros are there. So if you want to convert this fraction into decimal form, at that time, how many zeros are there? Two zeros are there. So you have to put the decimal point after two number from the right side.
Wrong here. 2.57.
Yes, it's correct one, because here two zeros are there.
Yes,
Yes, I am
sir.
telling you, if two zeros are there, so you have to skip, or you have to put the decimal point from the right side after two
Oh.
numbers.
Okay.
Yes, if the 1 0 is there,
It's right.
only one digit is there. If
One
2 0 is there, after two digits. Okay, and if the 3 zeros are there, after 3 digit, you will put the decimal point from the right side. Huh? The sentence
Yes.
is very, very important. From the not from the left side, it is from the right side. So answer will be 2.57. Yes, after
Yes,
decimal
sir.
point, you can
Sir,
see
it's
there
right.
are two digits. Yes, yes, okay. Yes. So let's solve some of the example. You can tell orally. Try to participate. Each and every student has to try to participate in this. Okay, or other student can listen from this. Okay, so in this example, you can see problem set 36 from your math textbook. Write the following mixed fraction into decimal form and read them aloud. Here three columns are given. In the first column, fraction is given already. Writing in decimal form, we have to find it and how to read it. And here you have to write here. See how to read the decimal fraction. Okay.
Sure.
First example,
39
I have already solved. Yes,
upon my 10.
yes, I have already solved. 3 integer 9 upon 10. If we want to convert these mixed fraction into decimal form, we can write here 3. 3 is the whole. Okay.
3.9.
Yes, listen, listen,
3.9. You're
listen.
written.
Here 3 is the whole and 9 upon 10 because 1 0 is there at the bottom. It means at the denominator. So you will write 3.9. After one digit, you will put the decimal point because only 1 0 is there. So
Yes,
after
sir.
one digit, you will put the decimal point. And whenever you read this example, you have to write the spelling of each digit. Like 3, THREE
Reading.
point after.
3.9. Reading.
Yes,
3.9.
yes, yes.
Sir, can I
You
tell?
can, yes, tell.
Sir, sir,
Yes, yes, I'm.
14 upon 10.
No, that's why I'm telling again and again. 14, not 14. Because one here, one
Sir,
is
there
whole.
is 1
Point
constant
4.
4 upon 10. 4.
Yes.
1,
Okay, listen.
4 upon 10. 1 upon 10.
Okay, don't worry. Only one child will speak. Here,
1,
one is whole. So
1.4.
1.4. So
And
here you
adding
will write
1,
1.4.
1.4.
FOUR. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, like this. Okay, like this. Let's see more
Yes.
example. You can
Yes.
tell orally also. 5.3 because 5 is whole and only 1 0 is at the denominator. So after one digit you will put the decimal point. And how will you read? 5.3. How will you
5.3.
write? Writing?
5.3.
Yes, 5.3. Yes. You can tell next one. You can tell next one. 8 upon 10.
10.
How will you write it in decimal form? In the
1.
okay. If the number is not there, you have to create a place
Oh.
by putting a 0.
Sir, we have to
Listen.
doing decimal divide, no?
Yes, okay. So 8 upon 10, we have to write in decimal point like, how will you write?
Sir, we have
0.8.
0.8.
0.8. Because in the numerator, only one digit is there. You have to create a one another digit by putting a 0 if number is not given here.
Sir,
Okay.
we
So
we all
0.8.
are doing like this, na? 10
Yes,
upon
yes.
8. We will write 10 divide by 8. Then we will
Yes, yes, yes. It's also correct
0
one,
and
but in
point
decimal point.
and 80 के बाद 0 लगा देंगे और फिर 10 8 जा 18 फिर
Yes, yes,
0.8
yes.
is answer.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. 0.80. Okay, ठीक है. So yeah, whenever you read 0.8, so here you can write 0 like this.
0
You will write 0.8
8
का yes, spelling of 8.
EIGHT.
Yes. Okay. So like this you have to write it. After that you can tell. Now
5 upon
you have to
10.
tell. Yes.
Sir, 0
What?
0.5
Yes.
0.5.
That's great. That's great. 0.5 because only one digit. Only 1 0 is there at the denominator. So after
Yeah.
one digit, you will put the decimal point. So
Yes, sir.
answer will be 0.5.
0.5.
And
And
after
write
reading,
reading 0.5.
yes,
ZERO 0. POINT point
yes,
FIVE 5.
yes, very good. That's great. Yes. So this is all. This is about 110.
Hundred.
Okay. Yes. Now we are going to learn about 100. Okay.
100.
If yes, if 110 is divided into 10 equal parts, it becomes 1 upon 100. Okay, 100, huh?
Yes.
Or 100, you may call. A 100 place is created to the 10th place, and 100 is written as 0.01. As I
Yes.
told you, how many zero? First, you have to count how many zeros are there in the denominator, and according to that zero, you have to put the decimal point from the
So
right
1
side.
upon 10, there only 1 zero, and 1 upon 100, there only 2 zero.
Yes, yes,
And 27 upon 100, there is 2 zeros.
and yes,
That's why
and in the
0.27.
numerator. Okay, okay, listen, listen.
Okay, sir.
And if there are in the numerator, if number is only one number is there, you have to create another digit. Okay, by putting a zero. Here you can see in the example, the fraction 27 upon 100 is written as 0.27. Yes, here you can see decimal point is
Yes.
where is the decimal point? After two digits from the right side, because only two zeros are there in the denominator or in the bottom. Yes, and you have to
Yes.
read it as a 0.27. You
27.
have to write, yes, you have to write the spelling of each digit. Okay, so same,
Yes.
like the same way you can solve the example of 100, like you have solved the example of 1 upon 10. Only difference is there. Here in the 1 upon 10, there is only one zero in the denominator, and in the 100, there are two zeros in the denominator. So according to that,
Yes.
you have to uh, write the decimal form and reading. Okay, here various examples are given. You can observe the example. Here you can see 9 integer 1 upon 10. You have to write only one zero, so 9.1, reading 9.1. In the second example, 9 integer 1 upon 100. In this example, you will write, you can observe there are two zeros. Okay, so from the right side, you will skip the two digit, and after two digit, you will put the decimal point. So 9.01 is the answer. Okay, 9.01. Yes, like the same way, here are more example. You can only observe this example, and we will continue the next concept from this decimal fraction. Here you can see 4 integer 53 upon 100, 78 upon 100, and 5 upon 100. So you will observe in the each answer there are two zeros at the bottom. So we have to put the decimal point after two digits from the right side. Yes,
Yes, sir.
from the right side only two zeros are there. So two digit, after two digit you will put the decimal point, and you have to read and write this decimal form. Okay. Yes. Here is also 5 upon 10. This is very simple one. 2 upon 10 and 20 upon 100. Can you tell about 20 upon 100? How will you write in decimal form?
0.2. 0.2.
No, sir.
20
Sir,
upon
0.2.
100, 0.02. I
Yes,
have
sir.
told you, keep the
0.02.
number. Yes, very good. Because two zero, two zero are there, and after two digit, you will put the decimal point. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Sir, I will doing divide. Decimal divide
Yes, very good. Nice.
on mine.
Let's move. Yes. So this is about 1/10, and this is about 100. I
Place
think you are.
value. Sir, it's place value.
Place
Yes.
value of the digit in decimal fraction.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So this is about all about 1/10 and 100. So I think now you are able to read and write about any mixed fraction into decimal form.
Fraction.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, I know
So the
just
next,
this.
yes, very good. Yes. Now
Sir,
the next
see,
answer
your
from the decimal
hundred now.
fraction, place value of digit in the decimal fraction. So
Yes,
here one
sir.
example is given. Okay. Study the place value of digit in the number 267
Two hundred and
point.
sixty-seven point 38.
Okay, but you have to write whenever you read this example, you have to write 38. Okay, not 38. You have to write read or write 38.
8. Okay, sir.
Uh, you have to write the spelling of each digit. Okay, whenever you read it, not
Sir,
38, 38. Okay,
sir,
so
I
place
know this.
value here. Yes,
Sir,
yes.
we will write 2
Okay.
and your 100 na, then multiply by 100. Then answer is
Yes,
200 and your 10,
but you
6
you must
multiply by
know
10.
why you have. Yes, but you must know why we have to multiply 2 by 100. Why we have to multiply 6 by 10?
We
Why we
have
have
to
to multiply
removing
7 by 1?
place value.
Yes. Okay.
We
I
have to
will
removing place
explain.
value of the digit.
Yes. Here you can see in just observe this example 267.38. In this example, after 2, how many digits are there? 7
100
is at,
times unit 1000, 10,000.
yes, 7 is at unit place, 6 at 10 place, and 2 at 100 place.
100
So
places. And sir,
multiply
3 and
7
8.
by 1,
8 is
multiply by
100
6 by
place and
10,
3 is
and 2 by
10th place.
100. Yes. And after decimal point, listen. After decimal point 3 and 8, there are two numbers. Okay.
Okay.
So 3 is at 10th place, 10th, not 10. 3 is
Three
at
mon-
10th place and 8 is at 100th place. So 3 into 1 upon 10 or 3 by 3 upon 10. 3 is divided by 10. So your answer will be 0.3 and 8 upon 100, it means 0.08. Here you can see there are two
Yes.
zeros at the denominator. So your answer will be 0.08. Just I had told you.
0.08.
Okay. After two digit, you will put the decimal point from the right side. So your answer will be 0.08. Like the same way, there are various examples are given. So let's see the more example. Here you can see one example is given 6.13. Okay.
Okay, sir.
613. You need 10 and 100 place. Like the same way, 6 is a unit place. So 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. And 1 upon 10 is equal to 0.1. And 3 upon 100 is equal to 0.03. Yes.
03.
Like the same way, what 48.84. This is also example. And we have to make as like this column and
Sir, here
put the
4,
place value of
4
each
is
number.
tens place, that's why 40. And 8 is units place, that's why 8. 8 is
Yes, very
10th
good.
place and 0.8. And 4 is 100 place, 0.04.
Yes, very good. Like the same way, here is also 72.05. You can observe this. The same example is there. Here
Yes, sir.
you will also 3.4. This is very simple one. 3 is at unit place and
Sir,
4 is
3
at
is
tenth
units
place.
place and 4 is tens place, that's why
Yes,
0.4.
yes, yes. 0.4, 4 upon 10 is equal to 0.4. Okay. Yes. After the place value of decimal fraction, we have to study in the simple way addition and subtraction of decimal fraction. For that, we have to do what we will do to add or and subtract decimal. Arrange the numbers so that decimal points are directly under each other. Add or subtract as with whole numbers and place decimal point in answer directly under the other decimal points. Here is one example is given how to add or how to subtract the decimal fraction. Here one example is given 8.75231.6062. For that, what we have to do? Arrange the number so that decimal points are directly under each other. So, like there on your screen, one example is here given here. In this way, you have to write the decimal point are directly under each other. Whenever example is given, we have to make arrangement like this, and then simply you have to add all the digits which are whatever digits are given in the example. Yes, here is a one example of subtraction of decimal fraction.
Sir,
4.6
sir,
minus.
listen. Sir, I know how to write this.
Yes, 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 yes. One thing we have to keep in mind that decimal
Yes, sir.
point should be under each other. One thing is there, and add zeros so that the number have the same number of places to the right of decimal point. If the in any number, if the numbers are less, then you have to put the zero at that place. Okay. Here in this example, you can see 4.6 is there, and 27
Sir,
or
we will do
27.368.
subtract
So you
this.
have to put, yes, yes, okay, very good. So like the same way, we have to put the zero if numbers are less, okay, and make a new place of zero. And according to that, we have to add or subtract decimal fraction. And after that, subtract each column of the numbers and place the decimal point in the difference directly under the decimal point. Here is one example you can see here. Yes. So on the basis of this addition and subtraction, here one example is given. Convert the following into decimal and add them: 1.5 meters and 2.5 meters.
Yes,
One and a
sir.
half meters means
Listen.
one
5,
integer
5,
1/2, 1/5,
5, 5,
2
10.
upon high.
5 for
Yes,
10, that's why 0, 10, and we will doing carry 1 and 2, 1, 3, 1,
yes,
4, and we will doing point. We will putting point there.
yes. We will put the
That's why
decimal
answer is
point.
4.0 meter. One
Yes.
and half meters is equal to 1 upon 2 meter is equal to
Okay,
1.5.
okay. Listen, listen. Yes, yes, listen. Like the same way, you can solve this example. In this example, what we have done? We have done or we have convert the given decimal, the given example into decimal form. Like the same way, 1.5, 2.5 is there. We have to add simply, we have to add 5, 5, 10, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 4.0 is the answer of this question.
Questions.
So
Yes, sir.
like the same way, one example is there, 6.50, 3.75. We have to add these. So like the same way, when you add any numbers, like the same way, you have to add these numbers.
Yes, sir.
Nothing new is
Listen.
there.
Sir, I told.
Only one
That's
thing,
all.
only one thing. Okay, listen. Only one thing is there. Only decimal point. We have to keep in mind where we have to give the decimal point. Decimal point should be directly under each other. Okay. So
Okay,
this thing
sir.
is very important. Decimal point. Where we have to put the decimal point. This thing you have to remember.
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
you solve the example
Sir,
of
here we
decimal
get
fraction or
6.5
decimal point.
and 0, and here
Yes, yes,
and
yes, yes,
3.75 meter, and is equal dash plus we will doing addition.
yes, yes.
That
10.25
7, 5,
meters.
12, 7,
Yes, 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 yes,
7,
yes,
5,
yes. Okay.
12, 2 carry 1, 6, 1, 7, 7, 3, 10, and we will
Yes,
doing
yes,
we will putting point.
yes, yes. Yes, simple addition is there. Only one thing is there,
Yes, sir.
decimal point. Yes, keep
Yes,
in
sir.
mind where we have to point the decimal point. Here are also another example or more example for you. Add the following. Okay, so
Yes.
23.4 and 87.9. So simply, just I had told you, we have to put
111.3 is answer. Answer.
yes. And like the same way, another example is given here
35 point
30.35.74 or
and 8.
816.6. Yes,
Yes.
simply we have to add this, but
Yes.
we have to put
4,
the decimal
7, 6,
point
13 को
under,
3 carry आया 1, 5, 1,
yes, under
6,
each
6,
other.
6, 2, 1 को 2 carry आया 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 8 and point.
Yes, yes, good.
852.34
34.
answer.
Yes, yes. I will give for your homework also. But
Yes, sir.
now see, here are also another example like the same way 6.95 plus 84.88. Answer will be 81.83. Very simple examples are there.
81.83.
Yes, one thing is there, only decimal point.
Yes, sir. Only decimal
Yes,
points
yes.
are
Okay.
important to
Where
put in
decimal
there.
point is
Then
because
we will
this
not
is
put
the
in decimal. Then
addition,
हम लोग का आंसर रॉन्ग आएगा अगर हम लोग
it will be wrong.
नहीं.
Okay, okay. It will be
Yes,
wrong
sir.
if we, yes, yes, yes.
We will not
Because this
put
is
in
the addition
decimal
and
then.
subtraction of, this is the addition and subtraction of decimal
Decimal fraction.
fraction. Yes. So decimal point is very important one. So keep in your mind where we have to put the decimal point. Decimal point should be directly under each other. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Like the same way, subtraction is there. You can solve this example also in your notebook. Okay. I will
Okay,
give
sir.
you homework. Yes. Subtract the following. Here is also 63.4 minus 31.8. And another example, fourth example is given 63.43 minus 31.8.
Yes.
Simply you can subtract this
We have to
one
doing
number from another number.
subtract and then after putting this point decimal.
Yes.
Only this.
For better understanding, I have already solved this example on your screen, so you will get more idea about how to subtract or how to add the decimal fraction. Okay, so decimal
Yes.
point is very important one. If you are not able to put the decimal point in proper way, the total answer will be wrong. Okay,
Yes.
so in the exam also, we have to take care where we have to put the decimal point in the example, in the given example. Okay,
Okay,
I
sir.
think it's clear. I think it's
Yes.
clear about decimal point, about addition and subtraction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So let's revise what we have learned today in the today's Zoom session of math, conversion of mixed fraction into decimal form, and how to read and write it, the place value of the digit in decimal fraction, and the third concept from this decimal fraction topic, addition and subtraction of decimal fraction. Yes, these three
Yes.
concepts we have learned. Yes, I think you are able to uh, convert the mixed fraction into decimal fraction, decimal form, or you will be able to read and write the mixed fraction into decimal form, and you will now you will very well known about place value of the digit in decimal fraction and addition of and subtraction of decimal fraction. Yes. Now here is homework for you. We have to write the decimal fraction in words. Yes. Just I have told you how to write it. One example I will tell 1.15.67 in word form also. You have to write 15.67. Okay. So you can note it down in your notebook. Okay. How many examples are there? One question is there,
8.
and there are, yes,
8
there are
examples.
sub
No, Miss
eight
Sir. 7. No, six.
Yes, yes, yes.
Six examples.
Six, yes, 6 examples are there. So note it down in your math notebook and solve all these example. What you will do in this example? You have to convert the decimal fraction in the word. In the word form, you have to write it. One example I will tell you. 15.67. Okay. Yes. Yes. Have you noted down?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going. We will stop here for the math Zoom class.
Bye, sir. Thank
So thank you and bye.